Daddy bring me lots of play-doh. Let's play with it.
Yeah. All right, let's
There's 3 play-dohs, Daddy. There's 3 play-dohs in there.
go. What's your favorite color?
Pink.
Pink. Pink is your favorite color?
Yeah. Oh, it also have a bucket.
Oh, it's in a bucket. Oh, yes.
There's a baby one.
Uh-huh.
There's a baby.
Uh-huh.
This is red, guys.
Yes, this is cow shape.
Again,
Wow.
there will be twin cow. It's a gork.
I don't know.
Look.
Daddy got it, right?
Yeah, Daddy got it.
Yeah.
There's something wrong with.
Okay, this one.
And this is Saisha cow.
That's Saisha cow. Here it goes.
It
Yes,
was
that's Saisha cow. Wow. She did a good job. All right. Now Daddy going to make a dolphin.
And I'm going to make a giraffe.
Okay. You want to make giraffe? Oh, okay. That's cool.
Giraffe is from the zoo.
Yeah. Giraffe was found in the zoo.
Yeah. People will find giraffes in the school.
Huh? What's that? What did you say?
People will find giraffe in the zoo.
Okay, take it out.
Mm.
Take it out.
Wow, it's so fun.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this.
Oh my God.
Yee! Am I so perfect? It looks like Saisha giraffe. Saisha giraffe. Oh yes, look at this.
You did it?
Yeah, I did it. Look,
Uh-huh.
giraffe, guys.
Dolphin.
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 I'm so smart.
Huh?
It's a dolphin. I know it.
You know it?
It's a dolphin.
That's dolphin, guys.
This is fun, Daddy.
Uh-huh. It's so much fun, right?
Yeah, I know how to take it out.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Puss.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Look at this.
Uh-huh.
The cow.
Mm-hmm.
What's
Like
this?
Okay.
This is cow,
Yeah.
guys. Daddy, you need my help?
Yeah, if you can.
I'm the one to take it out.
Oh, you want to take it out?
Yeah, I'm the one.
Who's gonna take it out?
Me.
Okay.
I'm the one to take it out.
Uh-huh.
I look like an angel.
Who?
Me.
You look like an angel?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're an angel.
Yeah.
Yeah. That look fine, right?
Yeah, that would fine. I'm the one to take it out.
Okay, take it out.
Ooh. Ooh, ooh. This is for you and this is for me. Yay!
Saisha?
Daddy, this is not enough.
Yeah, that's enough. Take it out.
Elephant. Elephant, fan, fan, fan.
Here. Take it out there.
I did it. It's a crocodile. Oh, you broke.
You broke it?
No.
Who broke it?
Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy, why are you so small?
Huh.
See? Let's have this.
Okay, take it out this.
Take
Okay.
it on this. Okay.
Hold on.
I'm the one to take it
okay.
out.
Okay, do it.
This is just the right way. And ooh. Says.
Like this.
Mix them.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Elephant. Says elephant. Ding. Ding. Elephant are fighting. Boom, boom. Okay, keep it here.
It's rabbit. It's
Yeah.
rabbit.
Rabbit. Okay. Saisha, do you think that this one will fit in rabbit?
Rabbit?
This one?
Doesn't fit in rabbit. I think so.
Huh?
Yeah, I think
You think
so.
so? Quack, quack, quack.
Good.
You like that, huh?
Duck swimming in the crocodile.
No, baby, dog will not swim in the crocodile. No, if we keep a dog near to the crocodile will eat dog. Don't you know that?
Yeah.
Okay, here. I fix it. Let me fix it.
Thank you, Daddy.
Yeah, take it out other way, always, okay?
This way?
Yeah, that way. Take it out.
Ooh. Look, guys. Whee! Whee! Bunnies like to hop.
Let me see.
When dogs have wings, duck will fly.
Yes, dog will fly, baby.
We have a rabbit.
Rabbit. Where we can find rabbit?
And
Where we'll find rabbit?
in the house.
Yeah. Some people will love it, so they will make it pets. All right. So then, rabbit.
Rabbit. And
We
a
got rabbit.
crocodile.
We got a crocodile. Okay. Let's keep it here.
But cow.
Okay.
Giraffe.
Okay. 3 giraffe.
Crocodile. Down.
What else? Oh, that's also crocodile. All right. What about rabbit? How many rabbit you got? Count it.
1 rabbit you have.
This is 1 rabbit.
And I can
1 rabbit.
2 rabbits.
2 rabbit. 3 rabbit.
rabbit.
Okay.
3 rabbits right to half.
And 4 rabbit, right?
4 rabbits right there. Can you make 4 rabbits jump?
Oh, you want me to? Okay. Let's jump.
No, not in the sky.
Like what? Here, down here. All right. Down. Ooh, jump. Oh.
Crocodile.
Okay. Oh, okay. Crocodile. Okay.
Crocodile. There's 4
Crocodile.
crocodiles. And
Fish.
giraffe. What?
Fish.
There's more giraffe.
I need 1 more crocodile, baby.
And dolphin.
Give me crocodile.
1 more dolphin.
1 crocodile. Okay, that's it.
You have 4.
I need rabbit. Yeah. Anyone, doesn't matter. Give me 1 rabbit.
But I have room.
You got 4 rabbit, right? You will use 2 rabbit. Daddy will use 2 rabbit, okay? Give me 2 rabbit.
2. This is good.
Daddy will use 2 rabbit and you will use 2 rabbit. Okay, match it.
Ow.
Cow. Were you... Okay. That's fine.
And rabbit need to go to rabbit.
Rabbit need to go to rabbit. Okay, that's rabbit, okay?
And this is scary.
Crocodile is scary. Okay.
We need to go like this.
Yeah, that's fine. What we got here? What do you match it?
Crocodile. Cow. Rabbit, and dolphin.
Yeah. Crocodile. Cow. Okay. Rabbit, and dolphin. High five.
Bye. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.